Hello everyone, so for today's video I will teach you how to find your Wi-Fi password. So let's start. First you will click Windows and R and you will type ncpa.cpl and click OK. And you will be transferred into this network connections windows. Since I am connected into Wi-Fi, I will click this, and if you are connected into internet, you will also click this. So let's click Wi-Fi. Okay, so you are here seeing your Wi-Fi status, the SSID, duration, speed, and signal quality. Let us click the wireless properties and the security. Okay, so you can see your Wi-Fi security type, encryption type, and your network security key. Just click the show characters to see your password and then click OK. Okay, so that's all. You can copy that your security key and you can paste. So that's all. I hope you learned something for today's video and thank you for watching.